The potential therapeutic effect of autologous platelet-rich plasma on persistent epithelial defect due to infectious keratitis. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Background: the cornea and sclera form the outermost layer of the eye, serving as a protective coat for the internal ocular structures. The cornea, a transparent and a vascular tissue, functions as both a structural barrier and a defense mechanism against infections. Platelet-rich plasma, PRP, also known as autologous conditioned plasma, is a concentrated source of platelet-rich proteins obtained from whole blood through centrifugation, which removes red blood cells. Aim: this study aims to evaluate the effectiveness of PRP in treating persistent corneal epithelial defects. Methods: the clinical records of 50 eyes of 50 patients with epithelial defects of post-infectious corneal ulcers were evaluated. PRP eye drops were prepared and used by the patient of the corneal epithelial defect in post-infectious corneal ulcer patients, and the effect was seen in terms of healing on slit lamp. Results: out of 50 patients, 48 patients achieved almost complete reepithelialization except for 2 aged 67 years due to poor compliance, who landed up into infectious ulcer again with symptoms and signs of inflammation and was started with antibacterial and antifungal injectables and eye drops but did not resolve due to poor personal hygiene and compliance, further referred to higher center. PRP contains high levels of PDGF, TGF, FGF, IGF-1 and 2, VEGF, EDGF, and interleukins. Epidermal growth factor, EGF, acts as a chemotactic agent for both epithelial and stromal cells. Stimulates the proliferation of limbal and peripheral epithelial cells as well as stromal fibroblasts, and encourages the production of fibronectin. Fibronectin plays an important role in the wound healing process, particularly in the migration of corneal epithelial cells. Conclusion: PRP is found to be efficacious in healing of corneal epithelial defect in post-infectious corneal ulcer patients with minimal side effects. Patient compliance and proper hygiene remain critical to therapeutic success. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.